345454322.
1A, 2B, 1C, 2D, 1D, 2D.
Hey, welcome to the Birdhouse in Brazil. We are sort of here in the hustle and bustle of São Paulo city, and Sai and I are kind of been perched here for a little while as we finish our album that we've brought with us from Australia, and also record a whole bunch of sounds and music and grooves, soak in the atmosphere of Brazil, chuck it into our music.
Yeah, we're going to be releasing updates every day, short films about what we're doing. Been really influenced by some of the music here in São Paulo and Brazil. Ben's also been working with a lot of great musicians prior to me arriving. We've found an amazing studio here and we're super excited to be recording, and check out what we're up to.